When it comes to native video on LinkedIn, there's a couple things you might want to be aware of that will make your video a little bit more powerful. First of all, you noticed I slid into the frame. That's because I don't want the big video play arrow right on top of my nose. So that's number one. Number two, in some cases, it might make sense for you to use a green screen. That way you can both talk and show people things online. You want to use bigger gestures than you normally would talking to someone at just say a networking event. The reason for that is it just comes across differently. And, don't forget to smile. If you've got 3 points to make, 2 points to make, or 1 point to make, use your hands. Pretend you're Italian. When shooting video, you want to inform people, you want to engage with people, which means you want to look at the camera so that they feel that they're looking at you and you're talking to them. Once you've done your video, edited and uploaded it, don't forget to add that description section. It's up to 1,300 characters. It's up to 1,300 characters. Use your hashtags, your @mentions, and maybe some special icons, emojis, etc. Now, you don't need a special setup like I have. You don't need special lighting and special cameras. All you really need is your phone and something to keep your phone stable, your computer and the camera on your computer. However, if you want to, the green screen on Amazon is like $60, lighting's another $60, and a good web camera will run around $100, and a good mic will run somewhere between $50 and $100. So you can really set yourself up for great LinkedIn native video and video for other platforms as well for under $400 or $500. But really, what you need is you, your personality, and some really good information to share.